how to fix the Messenger auto logout problem. Hey guys, I'll show you 6 of the best working methods. These are quick and easy, so let's get started. First, go to the Play Store. Now search for the Messenger app. Then make sure your Messenger app is up to date. If there's a new update available, go ahead and install it. After the update is finished, open Messenger and check if the problem is fixed. For the next step, open the Facebook app. After that, go to your profile. Then tap the 3 lines at the top. Now scroll down and select Logout. Once you're logged out, sign back in again. Then open Messenger and check it. If you're still having the problem, move on to the next step and go to your phone settings. Now scroll down and tap Apps. Then use the search bar to find the Messenger app. After that, open Messenger and go to Storage. From here, clear the cache. If the problem is still there, don't worry. For the next step, press and hold the Messenger app. Then uninstall the Messenger app. After uninstalling it, go back to the Play Store and reinstall Messenger. This time, there's a good chance the issue will be fixed. If it's still happening, move on to the next step and open your phone settings. Then scroll down and go to General Management. Now tap Date and Time. Here, make sure the automatic date and time option is turned on. After that, open Messenger and check again. If it's still logging you out, be sure to try the next method. For this, open the Facebook app. Then go to your profile. Next, tap the 3 lines at the top. Now go to Settings and Privacy, then open Settings. After that, go to Account Center. On this page, open the Password and Security option. Then scroll down and tap where you're logged in. From there, select your profile. Now check the list of devices. If you see any device you don't recognize, log it out right away. Still having the problem? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.